Mundo Channel.
En la mañana de julio del 2007, 2 helicópteros Apache usando 30 milímetros de cañón mataron a una docena de personas en Irak, en la provincia de Nueva Baghdad. 2 niños también resultaron heridos. A pesar de que algunos parecían estar armados, el comportamiento de todos era de total estado de tranquilidad. Los militares de Estados Unidos afirmaron inicialmente que todos los muertos eran fuerzas anti-iraquíes o insurgentes.
That's a weapon. Yeah. Hotel 26, Crazy Horse 18. I will call for change by Charlie Bravo. Speed 37, I'm Red White 6, Westminster 6, Romeo. Fucking break. Hotel 26, Crazy Horse 18. Have individuals with weapons. 4 radio. Rio Banners 1-4. Yep, he's got a weapon too. Hotel 26, Crazy Horse 18. Have 5 to 6 individuals with AK-47s. Request permission to engage.
Roger that. We have no personnel east of our position, so you're free to engage over.
Alright, we'll be engaging. Roger, go ahead. I can't get them now because they're behind that building. You're clear. Alright, firing. Line here. When the state line, let me know when you have it. We'll shoot. Light them all up.
202 traffic, 260s.
Come on, fire. Hey, Roger. Keep shooting. Keep shooting.
Bushmaster 2-6. We need to move time now.
Alright, we just engaged all 8 individuals. Yeah, we got 2 birds. We're still firing. Roger. Got him.
6 is a 2-6. We'll move, but we got this.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, it's on.
Bypass.
God damn it, Kyle. Sorry. I hit him by head.
It's Bushmaster 7. Go ahead.
Roger, we have a black SUV or bongo truck picking up the bodies. Request permission to engage.
Bushmaster 7, Roger. This is Bushmaster 7, Roger. Engage.
1-8, engage. Clear. Come on. Clear. Clear. We're engaged. Coming around, clear. Roger. Trying to, Clear.
Last call on stations at Bradley Element. Say again.
Roger's Crazy Horse. Your lead Bradley just turned south on the road where all the engagements happen. Should have a van in the middle of the road with about 12 to 15 bodies. Yes, Viper 5 running strong 208 for strong 4. We call frequency. Yeah, just drove over a body. Yeah.
Viper 5, 2 report free change zone 4.
Hey, I need to get the brass to drop ramps. I got a wounded girl. We need to take the rest of mine.
Cresta 20, Commando 89ers active. Port arrival 311.
20.
Baghdad radio, aggressive 3-4, zone 208 for zone. Call for change.
Roger, that's a negative on evac and the 2 civilian kids to Rusty. They're going to have the IPs link up with us over here, break.
Radio, aggressive 3-4.
And IPs will take them up to a local hospital, over. That's your copy, over. For that. 1 to tell.